Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today's courtroom moment takes an unexpected twist as the defendant shows up for court for a pretrial hearing, only to get hit with an on-the-spot drug test. The results come back positive for meth, cocaine, THC, and ecstasy. His defense? A whole lot of excuses. He just got out of jail, he can't afford the test, he doesn't have reliable transportation to get to court, but the judge is unmoved. Watch as he sets strict twice-weekly testing requirements. It makes it clear that the defendant's chances are running out fast.
Mr. Cobbs, you're charged with assault of a family member. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present if you cannot afford one. One will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On or about February 19th, 2024, an officer was dispatched to a Harris County, Texas hospital. An officer was dispatched to a Harris County, Texas hospital in regards to an assault call. The officer talked to the complainant, who said that she and the defendant had been in a dating relationship for 2 years and do not live together. The complainant explained that after an argument, the defendant began striking her head with closed fist punches, causing pain. The complainant ran to the bathroom where the defendant grabbed her by the hair. As the complainant screamed, the defendant stated, "If you keep screaming, I'll keep hitting you." As the defendant placed one hand on her neck and applied pressure for 30 seconds, causing pain and the inability to breathe. At the hospital, the complainant told the police that it was difficult to swallow and her ear still hurts.
Yo, what do you think this is the club? Don't talk. Yes, you.
Mr. Williams. Matter of fact, give me one favor, step one, stay back.
Mr. Bassi, don't talk to people, please.
Complainant advised that it was difficult for her to swallow and her ear hurts from the closed fist strikes. The officer observed the complainant at the hospital with a neck brace and dried blood on her ear.
Mr. Cobbs, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm now sending you for a drug test. I want to know what, if anything, is in your system, and then you must come back. If you fail to come back, I will 10 times the bond that you have now. Do you understand? No.
I'm on color. I mean, like, I got to call and do the every day.
Now sending you for a drug test. Do you understand? You must come right back. Are you working?
Yes.
What do you do?
Warehouse part-time.
Okay, I'm sending you for a drug test, and I want you to come back, and then we'll talk about your lawyer's situation. As far as it stands now, I don't want you to have contact with this person. Don't be in possession of weapons. Do you understand? I don't see a protective order has been issued, guys. Have you seen on Cobbs?
The AFN judge, I'm looking at the.
Rachel, I'd like to send Mr. Cobb for a drug test right now.
And I see Moet, a misdemeanor on the felony. I see a Moet.
Can you file one so we can do one as well? So that if you try to have,
I can file.
please. Okay. I'm entering now what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection that identifies Araceli Maria Montano as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person, commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of where she lives or where she works. Do you understand? If you violate this court order, the state can and will file additional cases against you, and then you violate that, I can hold you at no bond, zero bond, and I will do it in a heartbeat to protect every single person in Harris County. Do you understand, Mr. Cobb?
Judge, if he's being monitored, do I need to file positions still?
No, but I want the mow up so that if he tries to, get out there and
Yes.
act a fool, then we can hold him. Okay. Mr. Cobb, I'm going to have you sign. Well, first, I'm going to have you come up here, sign the order for protection. After that, I'm going to have you sign a reset. Then we're going to send you for a drug test, and then we'll see you here back in 30 minutes. Stops today. You tested positive for methamphetamine, cocaine, THC, and ecstasy. It ends today. From now forth, you'll be required to come every Monday and Thursday to take a drug test. And if you continue to test positive for anything whatsoever, I will put you in jail, and I'm going to make your bond extremely high. Do you understand me?
It's the only thing I just got out of just being in my system, but I'm saying I work. So it's like, how y'all want me to come every day?
If I wanted to,
I'm already calling.
put you in jail right now. That's why I'm giving you the opportunity now. But you now know, as of today going forth, if you test positive for meth, cocaine, ecstasy, that stuff stays in your system, at least the cocaine, 2-3 days max. So the next time I have you come, if you test positive for anything, I'm not going to take you in custody now for the weed, but I'll give you about a month and a half to clean from the weed. And if you test positive for weed again after a month and a half, I'm going to put your butt in jail. Do you understand? All the dope stops now. And if you can't stop it on your own, I'm going to do it for you. It's going to happen one way or the other, and I don't care. I am giving you now the opportunity to stop it on yourself, and you need to do whatever you need to do to get that monkey off your back, whether it's doing AA classes, whether it's doing NA classes, whether it's doing something else. But because if you don't,
How are you saying the testing, like, when am I supposed to come? Because I called and now you saying call, come Monday,
don't worry about
Thursday.
calling, because I'm having you coming every Monday and Thursday. You got to call for the felony case, because
That's what I'm saying. I don't understand that. And I work so hard. That's going. I already got this on my leg, and I'm not finna. They not going. I can't just be leaving the job and showing up late. I've been in court 3-4 times. I've been over here to 49. This whole week I've been missing and back and forth to work.
I'm supposed to have sympathy because you picked up an assault case and then
I'm
you
not
picked up a
saying
choking
those.
case,
I'm saying how can I take all these drugs?
and you've got all this dope on you? No.
All right, sure.
The problem is that I can't trust you to
I gotta call every day and take print.
listen. What I'm saying is I can't trust you to tell me, all right, I'm going to stop.
I will
I'm not-
stop.
I'm
I
not-
just got on this. That's what I'm saying. Y'all gonna make me lose my job coming. I don't have a car. I gotta come Uber. I stay far and I gotta go to work. Monday, Thursday, that's work days. Then I gotta find my way back to work. Then I gotta call when they call. That's gonna be 3 times a week for that. Like that don't even. I'm trying, but like I just got on it. I can stop. I ain't even started. I just got out of jail a few days ago. Now you saying come twice a week and
Here's what I can
call.
do for you. I will have you come here once a week. On the other day, you got to go to a Quest Diagnostics where you live and take a test there, but I can't pay for it there.
You said okay.
A Quest Diagnostics, which is a drug lab that you can take a test at to show me that you're not using. I'm willing to work with you in that way, but I can't pay for it then. You're going to have to pay for your own drug test then. While here, when you come to downtown, I can pay for it for you.
So I go to 49 San Jacinto once a
Day a
week,
week.
and then I
And
gotta.
on your other day, you can go to a Quest and take a test there. They have them all over the city. So I'm sure there's one 5 minutes to your house. You just have to find one. Mr. Cobb,
So this is that's just that don't even make sense. So
Arms down.
Listen, I'm very happy that you're frustrated and this sucks for
I'm
you.
not frustrated. I'm just trying to figure out how to make it to work so I keep paying my fees to be able to.
You ain't got no fees with me.
I'm just saying.
You ain't got no fees with me.
So if I do that, how long can I get off of this? Because I don't have money to be going Uber. I don't even know. It's gonna be 3-4 times a week.
And I know that you're not using is when I'll take you off.
All right.
You want a lawyer too, Mr. Khan?
Oh, yes.
All right. I'll give you a lawyer. It's not a problem. All I want is you to not be violent and you not to be using. That's all I want. And if I can find that cop, I want to say Randall Cobb, but that's football. If I can find that Ronald Cobb, the one that doesn't use, that doesn't be violent, then I'm a happy person. That's who I want to find. I don't know where he is, but I want to find him. And if you can show him to me, I'll be happy. Can you appoint him a lawyer, please? Yes. Okay. All right, man.
I'm gonna just come down here because I don't know where to go look for a test or whatever. I just come down
I'll
here.
have you talk to a lawyer, and then I'll let you choose what you want to do. Whatever you want to do, I'm happy to do.
So today's Friday. So when do I come?
Monday.
I'm already scheduled. So I'm scheduled to go to 49 Monday already. So
Okay.
what time do I?
You're killing two birds with one
It
stone.
don't matter what time I just go.
Don't go there at 4 o'clock.
Oh
You go
no.
there at 4 o'clock, they're
Yeah,
not
nah,
going
I
to
know.
examination warrant. Okay. Do you need to sign a receipt? Okay, so just hang tight. We're going to find you a lawyer. If you want to take a seat in the box.
The defendant surely didn't see that coming. An on-the-spot drug test, positive results, and a judge who wasn't interested in excuses? Yikes. One more mistake and it's back to jail. What do you think? Did he deserve a little more leniency, or was the judge right to clamp down? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gripping courtroom moments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.